this is the assignment. How you do the first one is first turn everything into decimals, right there, right? Then multiply by the calories. After you read, please read everything. I've read this already once. 4,000 a day with specific food. This is for each day. This answer, the 1, the 5, and the 2 is for each day, okay? And then the reason why I multiply by 10 here, because this is 10 ounces each. And the word problem on here is in ounces, so we need it in ounces. This is for 6, there are 6 boys that you need to feed, and there are 3 boxes, okay? So that's why I multiplied. So there are 6 boys, how many days? What would you advise the swim coach to do? Okay, I'm assuming it's only for 1 day, 6 boys. Each team below is chart swim team. Each teen boy consume 4,000 calories a day, with specific food below is the list of food with calories for each serving and the percentage. So multiply by the percent times that and then divide by this number here. That's where I got this from, okay? And you get 2, 5, and 1, 5, and 2. That's for 1 day. And for 1 boy, there are 6 boys, so you have to multiply this by the 6 boys. So if this is for 1 boy, so you have to multiply by 6 to get how much food you need for 6 boys. 6 here, 300 here, and 12 here. What would you tell the swim coach? My God, I must have forgotten to write the number of days here. What would you tell the coach? The swim coach have overbought by a lot. Because you only need 6 fruits, this many ounces of pasta, and this many bottle of lemonade. And man, I would tell the swim coach, I would advise the swim coach to return a lot of stuff. I would advise the coach to return. You only need 6 fruit, and there are 24 fruits, so return 18 fruit because you only need 6 fruits, not 24. Way too much. You only need this. This information that you get is what you need. Okay, and then pasta. Wow, pasta. Let's see. The coach only need 300 ounces, not 1,250 ounces of pasta. Therefore, need to return Okay, let's subtract it and find out what you need to return, all right? And then lemonade, you only need 12 bottles. You need 12 bottles. And the coach only need 12 bottles, not 60. The coach needs to return 38. Period. If a person only eat pasta that have 800 calories per serving, per 8 each means times, so pasta 800 calories per serving, and drink lemonade with 400 calories per bottle time. Based on this problem situation, which is 4,000 calories a day, that's important. You need to come back to that. Change the color. 4,000 calories. You see what I'm marking right here? 4,000 calories a day based on that problem situation. Write a linear equation on how much a swimmer has to eat. Okay, so equation is equal y equal, or x equals, in this case it's, let x be the amount of serving of pasta, so x, this is for pasta, and let y be the number of bottles. Y is bottles. So 800x plus 400y equals to 4,000. That's the equation. Then graph. Okay, God, I didn't leave any room, did I? So this is the equation. That's worth 4 points, 10 altogether. Graph, you need to find the x-intercept. The x represent the amount of serving of pasta. Pasta servings in pasta servings, number of pasta serving, and the other one is bottles of lemonade, number of bottle lemonade. I think I spelled it right. Let me look. Can't spell, guys. But good thing to spell check. Siri, Alexa, to help us all spell. Who knows who else? What's the other one? I'm sure I forget one of them. Anyways, x-intercept and y-intercept. $800x equals to 4,000, and 400y equals to 4,000. Divide by 800. 5. So 5 zeros right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 0. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this divided by 400. 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 bottles of lemonade. Like that. Make sure you label your graphs. Okay? It's pretty much the same here. Okay? Just remember, this one is 4 girls, 6 days. So whatever your answer is, you multiply by 4 girls, so times it all by 4. Then our first word times out for 6 days. Good thing you don't have any ounces. These are all times by 1, so you don't have to worry about changing any units here. But here 10 boxes of pizza. Each pizza was cut into 8 slices. That's 80 slices. Okay, and then remember pizza, Gatorade, X slices of pizza, Y is bottle of Gatorade. Make sure you label. Okay. I forgot to, I don't think you need, this one you don't need Pythagorean theorem. Do not use Pythagorean theorem because this length is the same as this length. Okay, so you do half a circle plus, this is pi r squared divided by 2 plus rectangle. You add because it's all shaded, which is area is base times height. Okay. Find area shaded region. Okay, I'll do this one. You got the rectangle. And this area is base times height. 20 times 14. Area is 280. Let's see, yeah, 280 meters squared. And then you got the triangle is base, this whole thing here. This whole thing is its base times this height. And that whole thing is this 20 right there. Base is 20, height is 12. So divided by 2. Don't forget to divide by 2. You get 120. Cancel that. That's 6 times that is 120. Okay? Easy, right? Then you add it together because they're all shaded. 280 plus 120 is 400 meters squared. Okay? Total area. Now this is easy. Here's this. And they're saying from bottom to top is 10. So that's 10 and 10, right? Well, and this is half a circle, and this is half a circle. 2 half a circle makes 1 whole circle. 1 circle, right? 2 half circle, see this half plus this half makes 1 whole circle. 1 circle, right? So circle area is pi r squared. So area equals to pi 3.14 times radius. If this half a thing is half a circle length is 10, This is very important. This piece is 5 centimeters. This piece is 5 centimeters. Together, put together to one circle to make 10. Now, if this is 5, part right there, and this part to right here is 5, which makes 10, therefore this is 15. This piece in the middle is 15 because 15 plus the 10 is the 25 total. See, the 25 is the total thing. So if this piece is 5, this piece is 5, therefore this piece is 15 to make this total of 25. Makes sense? So this piece right here is 15 and 15. So, all right, so the rectangle is easy then. Area is base and height. Area is 10 times 15, which is area of the rectangle is 150 centimeters squared. This is 5 squared. Okay, 25 times 3.14. Did it say to use 3.14? No, we use pi. Don't use 3.14. It's pi. Okay. So, whatever you get, add it together. 150 plus, I think 75 something, 78 something. Whatever it is, makes over 200. Make sure you put centimeters squared. Here you want to paint the gray area all blue. How much do you have to paint? Okay, I don't know what I put here, you guys. I didn't put down the measurement. So whatever this is, it's a rectangular shape in all. I don't know if you see that, but if I connect this top, it's like that. So it's a rectangular shape minus this half a circle. So rectangle, you're going to area is that, base times height, get that answer, minus half a circle. That's how you find how much area there is for that's left for painting. I forgot to put this too. But this is easier. How much area does this field has for a contractor to build your new home? Well, this is how much land you got. You want to build a new home. Area, remember, is land. So that's the rectangle. Plus, it's all shaded. So this rectangle, whatever length and width is, plus this triangle. Remember, area is base times height. Area is base times height divided by 2. Then add them together. Then explain that. I don't think you need to do Pythagorean theorem. Now they asked for perimeter. I'm surprised they didn't ask perimeter. You have to add all sides. Some of you got it wrong on your test. Only add the outside. This piece plus this piece plus this piece, this piece, and this piece. I'm surprised I didn't ask how much fencing we need. So only this and never the inside piece. You don't put fence in the middle of your land, okay? I know there's dashes here to just show you there are 2 shapes here, that's all. But what have you got wrong on area? Write a linear equation on a line of best fit. Okay, a linear equation. Either you use y equals to mx plus b, that I can use if I choose this to be one of my dots, 0 and 50. I can use y equals mx plus b because if I have b. Now, if I use something like this, where I'm not quite sure what this is, then I need to use, instead of y equals mx plus b, I need to use point slope y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1. So if I were you, I'd make my line of best fit. Both work well, you see how it's in the middle and the other one are all in the middle. I used the first one, but let's say you did not. What would you choose? Make sure you choose good dots. Let's see, what's a good dot? All these are evil dots. I mean, literally evil. Okay, I'm going to choose this dot, 2.5 and 300 as my x sub 1, y sub 1. And the other dot, 6 and 650. X sub 2, y sub 2, right? So I need to find the rate of change first, this right here. 650 minus 300, it's y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 over 6 minus 2.5. You get 350 over 3.5. That's 100. Let's see. $100, yep. I was right. 100. So my rate of change is 100. Okay, so x minus y x sub 1, 2.5. Y minus y sub 1, 300. Additive inverse. Distribute. You get 100x minus 250. Equals to y plus 300 negative, add 300, add 300. You get y equals 100x plus 100, which is 50. 50 makes sense? It's close enough to 50. So yeah. Probably the same as if you started here, huh? Y-intercept, what does it mean? It's at 50, 0 miles. You burn 100 calories. Even if you don't work out and go 0 miles, you burn 100 calories. Y-intercept, the Y-intercept is 0.50 or 50 calories if you never ran any miles, which means 0 miles you burn 50 calories. Calories burn 50. Okay? Right here, what is the rate of change and what does it mean? That's D. Determine the association. Is it positive or negative? Definitely negative, going down. State the association of the variable. Okay, state the association. Gallons of gas sold increase. Price per gallon. Gallon sold increase, the price goes down. Okay, it's a negative. association because as gallons sold increase, gallons sold is down here, increase as it goes up from the beginning of this graph, gallons sold increase, price decrease. There were 13 stations surveyed. Is this true statement? Why or why not? Let's find out how many. I hope I didn't put an outlier on yours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. I only count 10. There's only 10 gas stations because of the 10 dots. Draw a line of best fit and write a linear equation. Now that's yours. You cannot use 0 here. You have to use y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1. This is how I know you're going to watch the video or not. I'm going to check for this question because it's very important. So on Monday, when I give you a 0 and say go back, this does not start at 0. This price is not at 0 right here. Right here, that's at 140. 140 and 290. $2.90. Okay? So you cannot, so if let's say you use that dot, 140 and $2.90. Well, I'm going to draw the line of best fit somewhere in the middle. Didn't touch, oops. It doesn't have to touch any of them that's there. I can use, let's say, it's hard to tell, huh? I'll use this one right there. That one, 50, 60, 70, I'm not sure. Is it counting by? Is it by 3? So 3, I'm not sure what that number is. So I'm not going to count it. I go 180 and this one. 180. You find yours. So I find mine. It in 265, okay? That's my 2. I need to find the rate of change. What it means, that means 1 gallon sold. They charge a certain amount of money. Okay? The price per gallon. So whatever it is, price per gallon. That's what it means. So find the rate of change, which is y sub 2 minus y sub 1, and all the y's is the price, and all the x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is gallon. 1 gallon. Y minus y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. And then you guys finish.